If you are looking for an easy way to build land pages, collect leads, and grow your business online, you have probably heard about Leadpages. But is it actually worth using in 2026? In this video, I'll cover what Leadpages is, its main features, the pros and cons, pricing, and who should actually use it. And for now, let's get into it. What is Leadpages? Leadpages is a website and landing page builder designed mainly for marketers, small businesses, creators, and entrepreneurs. Its main goal is simple: help you create pages that convert visitors into leads or customers without needing coding skills. You can build landing pages, simple websites, pop ups, alert bars, and even collect payments directly from pages. Compared to more advanced platforms like Webflow or WordPress, Leadpages focuses more on speed and simplicity. Main features: Drag and drop landing page builder. The biggest feature is the drag and drop editor. You can quickly customize templates by moving sections, editing text, adding images, forms, countdown timers, buttons, and more. It's beginner friendly and doesn't require design experience. Large template library. Lead Pages includes a large collection of templates for things like webinar registration, email signups, product sales, coaching services, free downloads, event pages. Most templates are already optimized for conversions, which saves time. Lead capture tools. Lead Pages is built around lead generation. You get tools like email opt in forms, pop ups, alert bars, two step opt ins. These features help increase conversions and grow your email list faster. Integrations. Lead Pages connects with many popular tools including MailChimp, ConvertKit, HubSpot, Stripe, Zapier, Google Analytics. This makes it easier to automate marketing workflows. Built-in conversion tools. Lead Pages also includes features like A/B testing, conversion tracking, mobile responsive pages, fast page loading, SEO settings. These tools help improve performance without needing extra plugins. Pros of Lead Pages. Easy to use. One of the biggest advantages is simplicity. Even beginners can create professional looking land pages in a short time. Fast setup. You can publish a page very quickly using templates instead of building everything from scratch. This is great for marketing campaigns and quick launches. Good for lead generation. Lead Pages focuses heavily on conversions, so many of its tools are designed to help you collect leads effectively. Reliable hosting. Pages are hosted by Lead Pages, so you do not need to worry much more about technical setup or performance. Cons of Lead Pages. Limited design flexibility. Compared to platforms like Webflow or Framer, design customization is more limited. Advanced designers may feel restricted. Can get expensive. Lead Pages is not the cheapest option, especially if you need advanced features like A/B testing or multiple integrations. Not ideal for large websites. While you can build websites with Lead Pages, it works best for landing pages and small businesses sites rather than large, complex websites. Pricing. Lead Pages offers subscription based pricing with different plans depending on features and traffic needs. The higher tier plans unlock more advanced marketing tools and integrations. There is usually a free trial available, which is useful if you want to test the platform before committing. Who should use Lead Pages? Lead Pages is best for small business owners, coaches and consultants, content creators, freelancers, marketers, people running ads or email campaigns. If your main goal is generating leads quickly without technical complexity, Lead Pages does a good job. But if you need advanced website customization or full creative control, platforms like Webflow or WordPress may be better choices. Final verdict and conclusion. So is Lead Pages worth it? For beginners and marketers who want a fast and simple way to build land pages, Lead Pages is still one of the easiest tools to use. It offers a strong lead generation features, useful templates, and reliable performance without requiring coding skills. However, it may feel limiting for advanced users who want more design freedom or larger website functionality. Overall, Lead Pages is a solid option if your focus is conversions and simplicity rather than advanced web design. And that's all for today's video. If you find it helpful and useful, please consider like, subscribe to the channel, leave us a good comment, and share this video to your friends. Thanks for watching and see you in a new video.